Welcome back to Sir Car Talk Scott. If you are new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because today we are talking about something that could save you thousands of dollars and a massive headache. We are talking about the hidden traps of the used car market. Let me tell you a story about a hypothetical buyer. Let's call him Marcus. Marcus is in the market for a used car. He goes down to his local standard dealership and finds a beautiful late model sedan. It looks shiny, it drives perfectly around the block, and the salesman slides a spotless Carfax report across the desk. No accidents, no structural damage, completely clean. Marcus is thrilled. He signs the contract, grabs the keys, and drives off. But Marcus missed one single crucial word buried in that contract: fleet. A few months later, the transmission starts slipping, the suspension feels loose, and Marcus is stuck with a massive repair bill. He doesn't understand how a car with a perfect history report could be falling apart. Here is the brutal truth. That word, fleet, means Marcus bought a former rental car. Now you might be thinking, what's wrong with a rental car? Well, Marcus didn't buy this car directly from the rental company. He bought it from a standard dealership. When major rental companies have vehicles that have been driven way too hard, have hidden mechanical demons, or are just the absolute worst of their lineup, they don't sell them to their own customers. They send them to dealer auctions. That standard dealership bought the rental company's trash to sell to Marcus as treasure. But wait, Marcus checked the service records, right? The Carfax was clean. This is the biggest secret in the automotive industry. Major rental car companies are self-insured. When someone wrecks a rental car, the company doesn't always file a claim through standard public insurance. They often fix the damage in-house in their own shops. Because it never goes through a traditional insurance company, that major accident never hits the public vehicle history report. They control the narrative. The report looks flawless, but the car is secretly patched together. If you ever want to buy a rental car, do not buy it from a third-party lot. Go directly to the rental car company's own sales lot. Yes, it will be a little more pricey, but they keep the absolute best, most pristine cars for their own direct sales. Now, let's say you check the contract and the word fleet is nowhere to be found. It was just a privately owned vehicle that someone traded in. You are safe, right? Not necessarily. You have to ask yourself why the previous owner got rid of it. We see this constantly, especially with high-end luxury cars like Range Rovers, Mercedes-Benz, and BMWs. Drivers love the luxury, but they absolutely dread the maintenance. So what do? They drive the car right up to the edge of the factory warranty. They skip the expensive 60,000-mile major service. They ignore the transmission flush. They bypass the timing belt replacement, and they trade the car in right before the warranty expires. They dump the ticking time bomb onto the dealership lot, and the next buyer, maybe you, ends up paying through the nose for all that deferred maintenance. Here at Sir Car Talk Scott, we want you to buy smart. Always read the contract. Watch out for the word fleet. Understand the self-insured loophole, and never buy a luxury used car without getting a completely independent mechanic to inspect it first. Thank you for tuning in to Sir Car Talk Scott. Drop a comment below if you have ever had a crazy experience buying a used car. Keep supporting the channel, stay smart out there on the lot, and I will see you on the next ride.